Hi, I'm Gerald, Condon, President and CEO of Collision&Classics. Well, we've been using BASF 90 line for about 13 years and have enjoyed every moment of it. What a learning curve we gained by using that type of product. It's performed exceptionally well, even in 100% humidity in Southeast Texas. So what did we expect out of 100 line BASF? Well, let me tell you, we were honored to be a part of the team that helped do the development.
At the time when we tested 100 line, I was the account rep for South Texas. I was excited when we were notified that we would have the opportunity to test 100 line. We have a good group of Glasurit customers in our market, and I was interested to see how 100 line would compare to 90 line in our hot, humid conditions. I was very interested to see how 90 line and 100 line compared from a sales standpoint of view. After seeing 100 line perform, I was thoroughly impressed with its performance and its increased productivity. The shop we tested at immediately asked, how soon can we have it?
So when they asked us to try the 100 line, I was excited to try it to see what was next in the paint industry. And I was excited to see the color matches in the blends. And we liked the 90 line so much, we were interested to see what they could improve on the next step, on the 100 line.
After spraying 100 line, I was very impressed. It performed great under humid conditions. The wet-on-wet application sped up the process, and I believe it would be an easy transition for any painter, whether spraying solvent or waterborne base coat.
The scientists and material technicians came here and helped us understand its ability, and we got to do hands-on performance, spraying and watching its application, and it did well. So we're excited to see 100 line come into play. It will be another award-winning product for BASF.